7 billion species. Human species is simply a human species, one species only. Right now, we are facing a man-made disaster on global scale. Our greatest threat on thousands of the year, climate change. We have to take action. The amount of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere now is 50% higher than it was in 1900, and it's getting higher and higher, more and more, because we keep taking from the nature. Put it that simple. If we didn't protect nature, we cannot protect ourselves. As designers, we have a great role that can affect climate change. There are many ways of being sustainable. It's your choice. One planet, consume with care. Pathogen. One step equals electricity. It's kinetic styles that produces energy by walking over it. We can reach sustainability by choosing energy harvesting energy that we can include in interior design. Just imagine if we included this in all of our designs. Every step equals electricity. Imagine this in dance floors, gyms, running tracks, gardens. Every step helps power interactive experiences, generates memorable engagement. Showcases sustainability, raises awareness, improves loyalty, promotes well-being. Solar panels. Solar panels is renewable energy. As far as all we know, solar panels are panels that have been inserted on rooftops only. With science and design, we achieved a colorful, transparent solar panels that are so efficient can be used in lighting fixtures that charge itself, then generates light. They developed solar panels to replace stained glass as well, so we would have a colorful solar panels that produces electricity and aesthetic in interior design at the same time. Transparent solar panels. It will harvest the sunlight, then produces light all the day. There are many designers that replace the windows with transparent solar panels already. Memory metal. You will ask yourself, how is this possible and how it can be sustainable? This is not an illusion or a magic trick. It's Natanol, a bizarre memory metal that can be trained to remember its original shape. Natanol is an alloy made of nickel and titanium. So basically, the case in the natanol that all the matters go through different phases as it heats, cools, from solid to liquid to gas. But some materials can also go through different phases and remain as solid under extreme temperature or pressure, so you don't really change the matter from solid to liquid. It's a solid to solid phase transformation. And the amazing thing with natanol that is this phase is reversible, so you can heat and cool and go back and forth To turn ethanol, you heat treat it in 500 degrees in your chosen shape, then quench it in cold water. Now whenever the alloy's temperature reaches a threshold known as transformation temperature, it reverts back to the shape you trained it to remember, and it's also super elastic. It can be used in designing sculptures, for interior design, for exhibitions, that can be changed every time without producing new one. Healing concrete. Concrete is used in interior design and product design in so many different ways. It can be shaped to chairs, sofa, benches. So, how can we heal concrete? Self-healing concrete can self-regenerate by adding a simple substance found in our blood called carbonic anhydrase. When added to concrete powder, it uses carbon dioxide from the air to create calcium carbonate crystals that fit into cracks after several hours. Another method is adding the substance to water and calcium in a spray and applying it to concrete crack. It will seal itself in minutes. This innovation can save building expenses, labor hours, and traffic slowdowns at the same time, help clean carbon dioxide out of the environment. It can also significantly extend the lifespan of concrete. Imagine how much money and energy can be saved with this development. Bamboo. Bamboo is the new wood. Bamboo plays a key role in the system. It dominates secondary vegetations and can accumulate considerable biomass. If unmanaged, the growth of this plant has severe consequences. Fast-growing bamboo is suppressing the regeneration of tree species. Instead of wasting the bamboo, it has been used in many different decorative ways in interior design, used in flooring tiles, that's sustainable and cheap, and looks like wood exactly and more trendy. Partitions, walls, and even lighting fixture and product design.